Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to add appendix on your document or your Word. So what you're going to do is first in your paragraph you have a breaks right here, so you can break your page like this, or you can column breaks or whatever, so you can do this. You can break page like this, you can do that. So what you're going to do is go to your next page or appendix. What you're going to do is break the page over here, break the page, and you're in the next page, right? Now over here what you're going to write is appendix, right? After writing appendix you need heading. Add your heading over here, and you need to continue writing. You can write anything here, and that is how you do it. Thank you so much for watching.